Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would give you guys a little update on the Ensetes today. I'm having to be a little bit quieter than normal because it is currently 8 o'clock in the morning and I don't want to wake all my neighbours up and get them annoyed with me. So the reason I brought them out here today is because the aphids are back on this one. And while they're out here, I wanted to point out the difference between a healthy plant and a plant that's suffering from bugs, aphids, whitefly, and is starting to look a bit sickly. If you haven't already watched my videos on how I've brought these on in the last sort of month, I will put it up here somewhere, and you can check them out. Like I said, I think it's been about 6 weeks since I've put these into dry compost. They were in my bathroom for about 2-3 weeks, but it was a bit too humid in there for them. They were growing like mad. So they have now relocated into my living room. And like I said, this one did have aphid on it in the bathroom, which I thought I'd treated. This one didn't have any, thank God. But I want to point out how these plants look different. This one is a lot more lanky and very floppy, as you can see. They're just, the leaves aren't holding themselves upright. They're sort of flopping over. You've got a lot of mottling on the leaves. Even down to here, I mean, it looks like if anyone's had chicken pox or measles, they look a bit like chicken pox scars. But this one, on the other hand, that hasn't got any bugs, looks completely different. I mean, look how upright the leaves are. The leaves themselves aren't mottled. I mean, this was the oldest one, so it's a bit dry, so just excuse this leaf, but the rest of them are looking absolutely beautiful. So I've brought them out and I've sprayed both of them with some Resolver bug killer to hopefully, fingers crossed, can't cross my fingers when I've got something in my hand, to get rid of this problem. But I would like to point out that these plants are still in the same room together and this one hasn't got any, so it makes a difference. I think they sit about 9 feet away from each other. This one's in the right hand side corner of my living room. It's a bit of a darker corner, it's not near the window. This one's pretty much directly next to the window, so I don't know if that makes any difference in why this one's a little bit more lanky, or why it's more susceptible to bugs. But other than the whole bug situation with that, which I'm hoping that will sort itself out, I'm so impressed with how they're looking. Let me see if I can just move through the jungle a minute. And I've still got these bloody sliders on. So I think they're looking absolutely fabulous. Like I said, I think it's the 12th of March today. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, pushing out its 5th leaf. I think this one's the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, they've pushed out another 3 leaves in 2 weeks. So I'm really happy, and I can't wait to see what they're like in the summer. And another point to add that I've just thought of is most people are used to seeing Ensetes red, looking really red, different coloration on the leaves. But what I found from growing them since last year, that until they get significant amount of sun exposure, they are primarily green. I mean, you can see slight bits of, well, I wouldn't even say it was red. You've got slight bits of red on the edges, right down the mid-ribs. But other than that, they are still very green. So I think as of in 2 days' time, we're meant to be having some quite nice mild weather, sort of 14, 15, possibly 16 degrees. So they are sat out today. I mean, they'll be in sun for I'd probably say about 2 hours. And then we're getting some strong winds today, so I'll bring them back in. But primarily the reason why I brought them out today was to spray them with the bug spray. And hopefully by Tuesday, they will be... I don't want to show you my bananas yet. I'm going to do another video of them. I will put them along here or maybe over here just to get some extra sun and put on a little bit more growth before the spring is here. So yeah, that's my little update on my Ensetes, guys. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe and leave a banana emoji in the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.